All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, morning. All right. Uh, Now, this morning, we are actually at a place called Santa Mariniela, right? Santa Mariniela. It's a place where we booked in after our cruise ship. It's a place where we booked in after our cruise ship. Santa Mariniela. It's a place in Italy, just close to Civitavecchia, right? It's such a wonderful place. You can come and have a wonderful, uh, um, you know, um, you know, um, sit here and then enjoy yourself. They serve breakfast, they do everything. So, right. So, this is the place, right? This place is called Santa Mariniela, right? As a South African, Capetonian, I would like to say to people, guys, let us enjoy life. Let us enjoy life. God is always there to bless us. My Father, who is on earth in heaven, I appreciate you, my Father, for each and everything that you have given me in my life. I am not rich, but I live with what you always give me. I always live with what I have because, my Father, you gave me the best of life. To have experienced such things like this, flying all the way from Cape Town, South Africa, to a place like this is such a wonderful experience, my Lord. I really appreciate you, my Father. And I know, the heavens are hearing me. I'm going to achieve more. I will get more and more and more. Guys, when you ask God, God will always bless you. I ask Him to bless me. I ask Him to change my situation. I ask Him to change the narratives of my life, about my life, and He did. He did. And yeah, I see here there's a lot of flags here. I see there is Canada, there is Ghana. This I don't know which country is this. I don't know. There's Belgium, there's United States, there's Portugal, Brazil. I don't see South Africa. Are you telling me the South Africans are not represented here? Brazil is there? Yeah? Are you serious? Morocco is there? But not South Africa. Why? Guys, it's so sad. We as South Africans, we must travel, guys. It's very important. Very important. All right. Like I was saying, it's always good, pray to God. God will always bless you. God will always give you the best. When you ask Him to give you the best, He will give it to you. I remember when I was growing up, I was suffering, but I knew that my Lord, who's earth in heaven, is going to bless me. He's going to open doors for me, and He did. Such a wonderful experience. I traveled the world. I started traveling in 2012. Now it's 2023. And I'm still here. So like I'm saying to you, put your faith in the Lord. And God will always bless and hear your prayers. Right? So yeah, you always have to pray, for each and everything you need. There's my wife, we just finished eating breakfast. They're now seated and relaxed. There's my wife, there's my daughter. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, she's nice and seated and relaxed. Uh, uh, yeah, that's her, right? So, guys, are you guys okay? Can we go up? It's time to start working now.
Yeah, we can go up now.
We can go up now, eh? Yeah, it's now quarter 25 to 22, actually 22 9. Right. All right, guys, let's go.
Yeah, it's good so that we can also get Eva and Jacob.
Yeah, all right. So, guys, like I was saying, it's always good to travel. You know what I'm saying? Travel around, guys. See places. Visit places. Go out there. Enjoy yourselves. Be yourselves. Tell yourself that you can still make it. We booked in here. Our accommodation is on top there. It's such a wonderful place. That's where we are, right? So, in future, come, take your money, leave what you're doing, leave girls around, leave girls out, leave beers out, leave taverns, leave nightclubs, leave all this. Just come and enjoy your life. You understand? And you will have a wonderful experience of life. It's such a good thing, to have in someone's life. Such a wonderful experience. There's a lot of things to be done in here. Right, so here we're eating continental breakfast. They call it continental breakfast. That's their breakfast we're eating. Woke up in the morning, come and eat breakfast here, and so forth. Yeah, all right. So that's how things are, guys. That's life, part of life. You wanna enjoy life. This is restaurant inside and everything. How it is. Thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, such a wonderful place. So we are actually going up. Yeah. All right. So anyway, I'll keep you posted, guys. All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.